Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Thank you so much for clicking on this video today, and thank you so much for being here again. If you are a returning subscriber, if you are new, hi, my name is Gerel, and in today's video we're going to be doing, I don't even have to hide it, you guys already know what we're going to be doing. We're going to be using the McGrath Mothership 9 Utopian Dream palette to create these two looks right here. I am in love. Like, if I was already in love with this palette, I am even more in love, if that's possible. So if you are interested in seeing how I created these two looks right here, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, that definitely helps out my channel a lot, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You can also click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's go into the video. Alright guys, I'm going to be using these two brushes from Nabla to start with this shade right here and just creating our wing and working it in and blending it towards our crease. And I'm using my P. Louise base for both of these looks. With this blending brush, I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to start placing it in the inner part. I'm meeting with Plum Noir. I'm going to take a blending brush with Plum Noir just to pack it a little bit better. Yeah. So now taking the Artistry one, I'm going to place that all over our lid. Alright, now taking the Verfer 21 brush, and I'm using this gold shade right here. And we're going to start packing that all over where we put the wand. I'm going to leave a little space for the inner corner. Going with Plum Noir one more time just to work around the edges around here, just to give it a little bit more depth. Alright, and when you get to this outer corner right here, just make sure that you're just flicking your brush just so it can like feather and blend into the Plum Noir. And take a little bit more of the Plum Noir and just go over it. So taking the wand one more time and adding it right in the center. I'm going to use my finger to add this shade right here. And just really focus that in the center and then blend it with your finger towards the sides, but like the majority of the product in the center. All right, in the outer corner, I'm still not happy, so I am going to take this bronze shade right here just for a better blend. Yeah, so much better. All right, I'm going to keep it simple. In the inner corner, I'm going to add this one right here, going back in with the gold and just blending those two together. You know how I like to do it. I'd like to bring it up a little bit and just blend it with all of the shades just like that. And that's it, my friends. That is beautiful. All right guys, so here with the lashes and everything is look number one. So I am going to do the same thing. I'm going to be using the Extreme Plum Noir and Shockwave to do the same kind of shade, but we're going to add different colors. Now, making sure that the Artistry one is clean, I'm going to apply it again. So taking Astral Amethyst Moon, I'm going to start adding it towards the lid, everywhere we put the wand. I can't even with the shade. The shade is so stunning. Right, I'm going to take Blitz Extreme, which is this one right here. I'm just going to add that to the outer part and blending it in towards the astral shade. This is so stunning. I can't. can't even. All right, Plum Noir, like always. Extreme Plum Noir is just the shade to go to. Guys, thank you so much for requesting more looks with this palette, because seriously, I am having so much fun creating looks for you guys. Put in the one in the inner corner, and we're adding Astral Venusian Orchid, because why not? Ooh. Okay, bringing it up. Careful with the application, because this is amazing. A lot. Just blending it together. Take your time, tapping motions, little sweeping motions. I can't. Do you see that? Do you see that? Wow. Look at this inner corner. It's so like, it's highlighted, but this one is like, whoa, highlighted. All right guys, and now here with the lashes and everything is look number 2. And here are both of the looks. Which one is your favorite? Alright guys, so yeah, that's it for the 2 looks. Of course, you can add a liner. You can tweak it to however you want it. You can add liner, bolder lashes, no lashes. You can get creative in the lower lashes, whatever you want. This is makeup. It's just for you to have some fun with this palette, and this is really for inspiration. And thank you so much to all of you who requested more looks using this palette in my last video where I reviewed the palette for the first time. And just in case you're wondering what am I wearing for the rest of my face, I will link all the products down in the description area just in case you are interested. Once again, thank you for being here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time.